I install 1 unit of Mini 50X solar spotlight, just 1 unit, and give it a full power so that I can show you how powerful this light is. Let's say just power 1 unit. And the special part of this product is actually not just the powerful LED chipset, but the magnified LED lens. Alright, as I walking backward, you can see that it still can shoot very far with this magnified kind of lens. Yeah, so I almost walk until the end already, no longer can move already, already at the edge. And you can see this lens, basically it's almost like a torchlight. Alright, like a powerful torchlight. Okay, still shoot very far away.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick technical review on the products that we just launched. This is the direct replacement of the Mini 30X twin spotlight. Of course, the new upgrade version is the 50X. Yeah, so we have really improved the brightness. So those you guys those are already familiar with our X system, then you probably know how bright this guy is, right? The Mini 50X, our next generation's solar spotlight, will have something like 60 to about 100 lumens. You have a dimmable function, so basically you can dim the light as you go. You can set it as high, normal, and low. Yeah, so this is a feature come with it. Yeah, so just we're gonna talk a little bit about this spotlight. Okay, first just want to share with you that we maintaining the design of using the metal casing. Metal casing for the floodlight, of course, is made of metal, cast aluminium, and as well as the stack itself is made of metal, so that those who always poke on the ground, you always feel that very strong and tough, so that when you poke on the ground, and especially used for more ground mounting, you will find out it's very solid. Yeah. This time we also make it. We changed the spotlight casing, the head as well. So you can see that the design a bit different. The reason we're doing that is because we want to incorporate a very big lens. Alright, for this guy, actually what we do a lot of improvement, especially is on the lens. Yeah, now we're using a very big and thick magnifier lens so that you can spot and shoot further. Yeah, and of course heat-sink, because the new LED chipset that we use is high power, and because of that we need to make sure the heat-sink, the thermal displacement will be good, and then will not damage the LED chip. Yeah, and of course we make it to vertical and horizontally. You can move the light. So those who like to use ground mount can use the stack, and those who want to do wall mount, basically what you can do is you can open up the screw at the back here, bolt and nut. Basically it's locked by a bolt nut. Alright, so you can open it up, and you can do this as wall mount. Alright, you can use this as a wall mount. We make it very small, so that when you do a wall mount, it will be very easy, And if you want to use double-sided tab, why not? Yeah, so this is quite okay. And the last improvement we want to say that we did for this guy is also on the cables. This time we use something more thicker cables because the power that go through the low voltage cable will be slightly bigger than used to be compared to the Mini 30X. And of course the connector, we also add in the waterproof connector. This time around we'll make sure it's more solid than ever so that the waterproofing will be much better. Yeah. So this set is a twin, so it will come with two. And also we also increase the length of the low voltage cable. Now it's 5 meter. Yeah. So 5 plus the other 5. So we are talking about 10 meter here. Yeah. So 5 plus 5 is about 10 meter here. Okay, and forgot to mention, yeah, the solar panel. This time around, sorry for the camera. This time around, we're using much bigger solar panel compared to last time. This is a 3 watt. Last time we are something like about 2 watts. Yeah, we increased about 1 watt. You will find out the panel is slightly bigger because of the extra solar cell and power. Yeah, nothing to shout about. This kind of panel has been around. We choose this guy is because it's been around and it's reliable and durable, and so won't give us much problem. So that's why we stick to this solid kind of simple design solar panel. What we did for the improvement is actually at the back here, there is the on-off switch, but beside it just an on-off switch is also a dimmer. Okay, I will just show you in a second. Basically, you can, like I say, you can dim it high, normal, and low. Yeah, so I will tell you how to do it. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just going to plug in all this thing so that I can explain to you the dimmer. Yeah, so the first guy I'm going to plug, this is from the solar panel. Basically this come up with 5 meter. So waterproof connector. So I'm just going to plug into the first spotlight. Okay. Then I'm going to plug into the last spotlight. Yeah. Then after I did that, basically I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot this at you because I don't want to blind the camera. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna push it on. Okay. Okay. Now you can see when you first time on, this is the full power mode. Right. Damn powerful, yeah. I will say that when you do that, you will have a very high lumen. Alright. So if you add up these two spotlight, you'll find out the lumen is very high. Yeah, something like more than 100. Yeah. So it's a very high lumen, but of course you use that this kind of mode, you probably give you roughly about 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hour running time. Yeah, you only need this when you really need very strong power. Yeah, but of course if you just set it to the normal, you press one more time. So this is the normal. It will still maintain about 40-50 lumens per spotlight. Okay, but you add up to still more than 100. Yeah. So this will give you roughly about 12 hours. Yeah. If you have a good sunlight, it will give you about 7 to 12 hours kind of lighting condition. Let's say your sunlight condition is good. All right. But let's say you come to time where it's a bad weather, cloudy, especially in Malaysia. Sometimes in like November, December, what you can do is actually you can press one more time to have it low. Yeah, when you have it low, basically it consumes very little power. Okay, and it gives you a very long operation time. Yeah, so basically it's used very little power. But even you set it very low, if you compare this guy to the Mini 30X, you will find out this is as bright as the Mini 30X. Yes, what I'm trying to say is the improvement of the brightness of the Mini 30X compared to the Mini 50X, the lowest setting is almost the same brightness. Yeah. Lastly, I just want to put it to the test. Remember when we launched the Mini 30X, we're using this is not a lux meter, this is called a Lumen meter, to do a testing. Oops, it's been flying around. Okay, just forget about it. This time I'm going to do that. But last time when we did the testing we open up the casing and put the LED inside and test. Some critics say that by doing so it's not accurate and it's not fair. It's because at the end of the day, we do not want to know the lumen from the LED. We want to know the lumen really from the spotlight. Basically, it's go through all the refractor, the glass, the lens, you know, and the final output. Yeah. So for this time, we will not open up the casing and put the LED to test. If I'm doing that, you will find out. Of course, it's much brighter. Yeah. But so when we put in the glass and things like that, you will find out. You'll definitely much lower the result. Yeah. So I'm gonna off it first. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy on top up here. Alright, so make sure it's okay. Then I'm gonna turn on the lumen meter. Okay, wait until it's 0. Okay, like I said, like our previous testing, we test the last light. Yeah, this light definitely will be brighter than this. It's because of the cable. Because the panel come out with the first spotlight is about 5 meters, then from the first spotlight to the second spotlight another 5 meters. So in other words, these guys actually have a losses of about 10 meters kind of cable. That's why I always say don't go and extend the cable. The more you extend the cable, you'll find out there is a losses. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna test it with the full power mode at high. So let's see what is this lumen meter is. Okay, now you see is about 100 lumens for one. So 2 of here is basically we're talking about 200 lumen. Yes, it's crazy. Yeah. So let's set it to normal. Normal is about 63. Okay, this will give you 7 to 12 hours. Alright, I would assume people in Malaysia, you will use something like that. Alright, and the third one, let's say you are in a country, then don't have enough of light, sunlight, then you can set it to this. But like I say again, about 30 lumen is almost the same with the 30X. Yeah. So you have it. This is the very quick review on the Mini 50X Twin Spotlight. We believe this is one of the most powerful spotlight ever built, and in the market as well. And I believe that with the price range and the quality and the thing that we put in, this is one of the best product you can get and use it for your outdoor application. Yeah. So last thing, you want to get this guy, let's say you're in Malaysia, you can go to our web store, scomart, scomart.com. You also can go to Lazada. Alright, if you're in Singapore, you can go to Lazada Singapore. But let's say you're in the US or UK, you can go to Amazon. Yeah, Amazon, you can get this product. Yeah. So thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Ask what kind of battery is used for the Mini 50X Twin Spotlight. The answer is lithium battery. Yeah? These days everybody is using lithium battery. Right now I'm going to show you a simple demonstration. I'm at the conference room. One of the first spotlight will just shine here, and one of this, the last spotlight, this is the second spotlight. I'm going to shoot a wall in our conference room. Yeah. So shooting about 5 to 6 feet. Yeah. So this is on the full power mode. Right. Okay. See the whole round thing. Full power. Okay, so you see the one whole spot. Yeah. Then I'm going to make one more press to make it into normal power. Okay. You see slightly dim a bit, but still not so bad because it will give you 7 to 12 hours. Yeah. And I'm going to press one more time to make it to low setting. Again, it's not so bad, and this is going to definitely give you more than 12 hours that kind of operation time. Yeah. So lastly, you also can get this product at Lelong, all right, in Malaysia. Thanks for watching.